Hey, there's no one home right now.
That's not true.
No,
I
it
just
is
saw you
true.
walk in the
It's
house. I need you
okay.
to move your car because I have a tow truck coming in about 2 minutes.
I'm
That's
pretty
why I
sure there's
cleared the
no
place in
one.
front of
I'm
the car.
pretty sure that there's no one
Please
at my
move
house
the
right now.
car. Is there any way you can get the car moved?
No, I'm sorry.
Is there
I'm
any way
at
you can
work
get the
right now.
car?
Everyone's at work right now. I am
What?
sorry.
Well, I need somebody to move the car. I just had it
I'm
cleared.
sorry. Ma'am, I did not know this at the
Please,
beginning of the morning. I am at
please
work. Everyone in my
move
house is.
the
I
car.
cannot. I am at work.
I'm gonna have them tow your car if you don't
If
get
you have
somebody
them
here to
tow
move
my
it.
car, I will call the cops on you. You will not touch my car. The street is
Please
public
do.
property. I will.
You
Do
need to
not
move
tow
the
my
car.
car. Ma'am, I am at work.